Hi, my name's Charlie from Short Block Charlie's. Today I'm going to discuss with you our Scotsman 110 head. This is a ported head that we have here that we've done. What we do, the procedures that we go through is when the heads come in, we take the heads, we bee blast them, then after they're bee blasted, we vapor blast them and clean them up and look for any issues and contact our customers if there's something that needs to be addressed. After that, we take the heads, we remove the valve guides, and then we proceed our porting procedures on the head. We use A, B, and D valve guides on the heads, so we can fit them a lot tighter than the OEM setup. And then on the 110 heads, we have two options. Either we'll use the stock valves. The stock valve intake diameter is 2.070 and 1.625 on the exhaust. We also, with the stock seat, we can go to a 2100 valve, intake valve, and enhance the airflow. So that service is available. Just get a hold of us, and we'll quote you a price on what it costs. Here's the stock Harley head, so that you can see what they look like. It's kind of interesting on these heads from Harley Davidson. They do use a raised seat on both the intake and the exhaust, and when we get done with the heads, we're going to put a full radius seat and then a multi-angle valve job on the intake side. Kind of shows you what it looks like. We got 4 angles on the intake on this one, and then the critical angle blends into the combustion chamber so that we unshroud to enhance the airflow. The exhaust, we use a reversion type seat. It's a raised seat, and then it drops over, then it goes into a full radius. And the textured finish, the intake port's textured finish, combustion chamber's textured finish. We'll deck the head to your cam choice and piston choice so we can adjust the compression what is needed. And in most applications, we're running about 10/8 to 11/1 on these type heads. The other thing I want to note, we get a lot of people call us up and ask about using 110 heads on little motors. I personally use these on big motors, 113s and bigger. Trying to put one of these on a 95 or a little 103, you're not going to enjoy it very much. You're going to have to do a lot of decking to get compression, and with the ports being so big, there's no magic here. Let's go over here to the flow bench. It's kind of interesting. The blue is our ported head. The one thing also I want to add is on here I'm using a 3.875 bore. I don't have a 4-inch bore. The numbers would get a lot higher if I had a 4-inch bore because it would unshroud the valves, the cylinders. It's holding my numbers up. I will be addressing that here in the near future. But as you can see, if you follow the line here, you can see how the blue, we enhance the airflow all the way through. And we've got it up, it's about a 290 CFM airflow with a 4-inch bore. The exhaust ports on these 110s is a little tricky. We're a little low here on the low lifts here, and then at about 350 lift, we start to enhance the airflow, and then she starts to go north on us. They seem to work real well. If you have any questions, feel free to call and ask about our Screaming Eagle 110 cylinder head packages. Thank you.